Imagine a ransomware attack that takes down your production systems, wipes standard backups, and demands payment. With immutable backups, you still have untouched recovery points ready to restore. No ransom, minimal downtime, and business back on track. In this video, we'll explain what immutable backups are and share best practices MSPs and IT teams can use to safeguard critical data. What is immutable backup? Immutable backup is a data protection method that prevents backup files from being altered, encrypted, or deleted, regardless of user permissions or malware access. Once written, the data is locked for a defined retention period, ensuring a trustworthy recovery point even in worst-case scenarios, such as ransomware attacks or insider threats. In other words, immutable backups make your data untouchable until it's scheduled to expire, keeping it safe from both external attackers and internal mistakes. Immutable backup best practices. Implementing immutable backups extends beyond simply enabling a retention lock. It requires a deliberate approach to configuration, access control, and recovery planning. These best practices help ensure immutability is both practical and sustainable. Number 1. Define clear retention policies. Start by setting retention periods based on business continuity requirements, compliance mandates, and cyber insurance policies. Retain backups for a sufficient period to cover delayed threat detection, but avoid over-retention that increases storage costs and exposes the organization to legal risks. Pro tip: use time-based retention policies that automatically expire backups after a defined period to minimize manual intervention, enforce consistency, and ensure alignment with your recovery time objective and recovery point objective targets. Number 2. Use a chain-free backup architecture. Traditional backups that rely on incremental chains are more vulnerable to corruption and failure. Chain-free backups ensure that each restore point is independent and locked, simplifying recovery and reducing the risk of data protection gaps. Pro tip: select business continuity and disaster recovery solutions that use chain-free technology to combine immutability with speed and reliability. Number 3. Enforce access controls and multi-factor authentication. Even with immutability, admin accounts remain a potential attack vector. Apply strict role-based access controls and require MFA to limit who can configure or delete backup policies. Segment responsibilities where possible to reduce insider risk. Pro tip: limit delete privileges to a small set of users and regularly audit all backup-related actions. Number 4. Test recoverability regularly. An immutable backup is only useful if it can be restored. Regularly test backup recovery across multiple restore points to verify that locked data is usable and your backup system can meet RTO targets. Pro tip: automate recovery testing and include immutable restore points in disaster recovery simulations to ensure seamless recovery. Cyber threats aren't slowing down, and neither should your defenses. Immutable backups combined with strong policies, access controls, and routine testing ensure you're ready to recover no matter what happens. To learn more about how BSDR solutions from ConnectWise can help your MSPs or IT team implement immutable backups and resilient recovery strategies, visit connectwise.com.